Hey everybody, it's the Untrained Nail Enthusiast. I know it's been a while since I'm uploaded and well, I'm here to do a nice simple design. I'm not doing acrylic. It's more of a gel polish design, and it is actually for a co-worker of mine. I had an idea for her and I just want to put it on these fingers right here. As you can see, I still have the dip powder nail. I'm not going to get rid of it. I'm just going to paint on top of it. And I still have my raggedy extensions on. But let me tell you, this Cherie product, really good. It will, how long I had this on? What, a month now? Yeah, really good. Last. And I also forgot to prime two of my fingers, and it was these, and the nails are still on here. They're still on here looking disgusting, but this video isn't about that. I'm going to show you what I plan on using today. All right, so this is what I have in mind. My Azure Pink. Of course, I'm in love with transfer foils now since I have a better adhesive. This right here, you can find this on Amazon. And striping tape. Of course, my little scissors. So, this is going to be a quick, simple video. Nothing too extravagant, but it's just something I had in mind. Well, yeah, I had in mind for a co-worker of mine. She didn't want anything too extravagant, so this video is basically dedicated to her. So let's just see how this goes. not use my striping tape for the design, but it was more like a guide. Striping tape is great because I can't draw, and so this came in handy to support the lines. But of course, as you can see, I just covered it up in, sorry about the shakes, these rhinestones. Yay, they're so pretty. I got these off AliExpress like some months ago, but it came in handy. This is my, let me push these, final design. Nothing too busy to me. It's just polish, foil, and rhinestones. And let's see. Yeah. That's it. That's all I got. So I want to thank you guys for watching and sticking around, staying sub to me, even though I have not been uploading on the regular. But I will have more videos coming out. My birthday is coming up on the 18th. So I did take some days off, and I'm hoping around that time I can upload more videos for you guys. But thanks for watching, being patient with me. And you guys just have a great morning, afternoon, night, evening, whatever you're doing. Thanks for watching, and deuces.